I am feeling it. Definitely. Oh, yes. Yeah. Fireplace again. I'm just going to sit in my corner here. Yes. Oh, hang on. Excuse me. I'm saying my prayers. Oh, yes. Amen. All right, let's go to the next room, guys. The loo. Oh, I like this light. Is there any way we can get it out of the bathroom, though? Because it's making me very distracted when I need to go to the bathroom. Which, speaking of which, I might need to do that right now. Ooh, in the tub. That's a great idea. Next room, please. And up the stairs we go. Oh, yes. That was a great exercise for me. Something smells great here. Ooh, someone cooking pot roast. I think I could go for some scones, actually. Hang on, I need to say my prayers again. Amen. Next room. Oh, this bed is the cushiest bed I've ever been in. Is it a water bed?
Oh, yes it is. Yes it is.
You know, this is the nicest house I've been in.
Are you saying...
I can't actually squeeze
I'm
under this
sorry.
bed. Hang on, I'm doing my cleaning right now.
I'm sorry.
I'm cleaning myself. Don't look at me. I'm cleaning myself.
Are you doing your prayers? Oh, I'm sorry for interrupting.
Oh, no. I'm just cleaning myself. Oh, next room. Next room. Oh, yes, I'm feeling this room very much.
What
Just let me say my prayers.
Feeling it mean?
Just oh, yes. Are you filming this? Oh, oh my.
I'm just sitting.
Are you filming this?
She's saying her prayers.
Oh, yeah, I'm.
Oh, sorry.
I like this house very much. Like it a lot. 5 stars. 5 stars hotel. Oh yes, I'm buying it. Oh yes, this is my new home.